In this e-learning, we're going to explore a tip about users who have the nice environment with more than one monitor. If you have more than one display, multiple monitors, we're going to share with you some things you can do with WO6 option. So we're going to open the customer management first. And we are going to highlight one particular customer here. Now, I'm going to open a patient, just so I have two tabs. And in this patient, I'm going to open the summary card for that patient, so I have another tab here. So I'm playing with this and say, okay, now I have two monitors. I want to work with patients and customers in one monitor, but for the other monitor, I would like to have, for example, the calendar with all the appointments for the day. If I move my mouse, go down here to the bottom on the taskbar, I'm going to see the windows that are open. So I have two WO6 option windows open at this point. The current one I'm at and the main screen, the main window. I'm going to return to the main window and I'm here going to open my calendar, which is going to be on a fresh, brand new window. If I go down here again, you're going to see that now I have three windows. I have my main screen, I have the window number 1 that I was working with, and the window number 2, or the third window in this case after the main screen, with the calendar. Now I want to have this screen here on my second monitor. For the training, it's not possible for me to show you the second monitor, but assuming that my second monitor would be on my right side here going that direction, you just click on the title bar where you see the WO6 option username, and you click anywhere over here, click and hold with the left click, and then you can drag this window to the other monitor and drop it there. So when you do that, you're gonna have the second monitor with that, and you can either push it towards the top, which expands, or you simply leave it there on the middle of the monitor and you click on this little square, which maximizes the monitor. So then you would have one monitor with this window and the other monitor with that window. So today you've learned how to manage multiple windows with WO6 option. Thanks for watching.